Hello everyone, welcome back to the Advent calendar. It is day 13. Here's what we already have, and here's what we got last time. Oh, where's the foal? Oh. She's alright, she's just taking a little nap. Well, can we see her? Oh, yeah, sure. I think she's just about to wake up. Yep, I hear the foal. Oh, there's the foal. So here's what we got last time, which is so cute that we named Cinnamon Wish after my pony in Star Stable. It looks just like her. Have her lay down right here and relax, since she is just a foal. Of course, we didn't forget about you, Concord. You're a foal too, so you can come over here as well. Alright guys, so I'm excited to open up this door because it is 13 and big. Very, very, very big. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. A bag, a bag, a bag. Wait a minute. Is this the tree? Is this the tree that goes here? I see like leaves. Oh, this is huge. Whoa, how far back does that go? Oh, well, that goes back very, very far. So here are the pieces it comes with. Okay, look how cute it is. So the tree can fit right in here, and it can give the new baby foal some shade. So I thought when I saw how big this store was, I was really hoping we would get Cinnamon Wish's mother, because she's just a small little foal. Okay, you're a small little foal too, I know, but I kind of want Cinnamon Wish's mom first. So, anyway, that was 13, and tomorrow we have 14, which is right up here. It's not very big, but I don't know what we're gonna get. Sometimes when it's not very big, we do get something good. So let's hope we get something really good tomorrow. Alright, you guys, so I will see you in part 14 tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you play Star Stable, to be going onto that holiday calendar every day. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.